have flown in just to say happy birthday to Ajay Devgan. And next.
Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Love you all too. Love you all too.
And it's also कोमल जी का birthday भी है एक बार. कोमल जी को happy birthday बोलो. बस. Enough of this. Show खत्म नहीं होगा. हाँ. Okay, that's Ajay Devgan, of course. And now we present you Tabu. You scared me. It doesn't take much to scare me. Cockroach will scare me. He's a beautiful woman for sure. Don't worry. Tabu, ladies and gentlemen. Happy birthday, bolo. हाँ.
मेरे को भी I love you सुनना है यार.
Come on. Ajay
I
Devgan
love you,
fan
बोलो.
group.
I love you. देख, मेरे से ज़्यादा जोर से बोला.
All right, shall we call on next Rakul Preet Singh. Rakul, happy birthday. एक बार बोलना पड़ेगा. We want balance here. Balance is important.
अरे I love you बोल दिया देखो.
I love you काफी है. Thank you. And for Komals, I love you. They want to sleep. Only Ajay Devgan. I don't understand this partisan behavior. Bas, calm down. Control your fans. All right. Next up, we have the director. हाँ sir.
सही बोल रहे हैं. अब थोड़ी देर हमको भी बोलने दीजिए.
Next up, we have the director, the one and only. क्या hug दिया था सुबह. He's very powerful. This man, Aqib Ali. सर का लाइन है मेरे साइज के हिसाब से जगह नहीं बनेगा. हाँ. क्या बोला सर? Please don't record this. Please stop that. हाँ. All right. Anybody wants to say I love you?
Love you too.
All right,
yaar.
quickly, we have to do the press conferences. Ajay is looking at his watch. I don't want any trouble. First, I don't want to ask any normal questions. They're very boring at these events where you ask plot के बारे में, film के बारे में, all that. So first question, film के बारे में and plot के बारे में, if you.
It's fun यार, मतलब देखा ना आपने, ऐसे कुछ plot वॉट नहीं है, मस्ती, मजा, बस ऐश करो.
Actually ट्रेलर से प्लॉट समझ में आ जाता है.
Absolutely. But I want to ask you one thing, Ajay, which is that back in the old days, I won't mention Polar Country and all the other films, the split is a very important part of the phenomenon of Ajay Devgan. Everybody talks about that. And in the poster here, Baar to hai, I don't know where it is, but I've seen it. There's a picture of you with one leg on each car, like that, doing the same split. And I think the character is 50 years. It's supposed to be 50 years. And I'm thinking if 50 saal pe people are thinking more of, organ transplants, hair transplant, back repair, all this removing and putting back things, and you're doing splits. So I just...
The difference is, in the other films, वो physical split था. In this, it is an emotional split. एक तरफ एक लड़की है, दूसरी तरफ दूसरी लड़की है, दोनों के बीच में फंसा हुआ. उसको कहते ना कि पड़ी है.
Of course, my whole my thought process is a little different because being a Parsi, I was looking at the cars, I didn't see the girls only. I'm just kidding. Which brings us...
What a compliment the moment you come on stage to hear this, that you didn't notice both of us.
You're married?
I'm married, yes, and she stayed.
And how many cars do you have?
But joint family, 3-4 तो है.
4 गाड़ियाँ हैं. एक बीवी और 4 गाड़ियाँ. So, Parsi.
एक बीवी, एक मम्मी, एक डैडी और दोस्त बहुत है सर. दोस्त बहुत है. All right, so let's quickly, Tabu, let's get a word in. What was it like, this entire experience? It sounds like really funny, zany comedy. Tell us. Working with the great Ajay Devgan, what was it like for both of you all?
You've heard me saying
just praise him. Birthday तो है ना, तो praise करो, तारीफ करो, जल्दी.
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत मजा आया, बहुत हंसे, बहुत खेले, और आज happy birthday है इनका. I've known him almost all the 50 years that he's almost.
कौन सा सर? कोमल सर, मैं, अकीब. Be specific. कौन है sir? अजय, they having personal call. आप SMS करो ना बाद में. Because सबका time जाएगा इसमें. Okay, one slightly more difficult question. So which lady do you have more chemistry with, Ajay, in the film?
अरे यार.
This is the question.
How can I say that? I have chemistry with both.
Tabu wants to answer that. Okay.
He must be bored of me now.
Bored of you? Okay, let's hear it from the young lady.
See, I've turned 50, and 50 के अपने फायदे होते हैं. When I was 25, I had 1. Now I have 2. Okay.
Nice,
There you
nice.
go, you have the answer.
Two, bhai, 2.5.
4.5.
Okay, before we start the press conference, वो peck का movement, I don't know if you watched the reaction. वो peck का movement जब आपने किया था, I mean in the trailer, the reaction of the audience was fantastic. I don't know why.
Chest
The
movement, is that right?
pectoral. Punjabi में pectoral बोलते हैं ना, that. So when that happened, they went berserk. Which is, I understand some of the women, getting, looking at the good-looking man with a physique and all that. But the men went berserk. And I thought that was fantastic. All the men were also very happy. So I want to tell you, how do you like that shot, guys? Fantastic, no? See, men in the back, he's putting, superb. What's your name? Mohammed Ali from Hyderabad. You'll have a special meeting later.
Mohammed
Special
Ali
Thank
from
you.
Hyderabad.
Thank you.
एक साथ तबू जी और आप सेम कॉलेज
नहीं.
तबू जी you were in college with the same gentleman.
No, I went to college in Bombay.
He followed you to college in Bombay and he waited outside for 3 years. You understand? Sir, बहुत साल के बाद मिला ना? Oh, very good. So, I love you बोलो sir को, everybody. Well done. Okay, are we ready for the press conference, guys?
Yeah.
Shall we go for it? Questions? Who's going to ask questions? Please tell us your name and be very nice and remember happy birthday. बोलना पड़ेगा every time. Can we have one more mic? We have. हाँ, we have.
और बांटने नीचे तो बांट दो ऐसे.
अजय और तब्बू, आप दोनों से सबसे पहले अजय आपको जन्मदिन की बधाई.
कहाँ हैं आप?
आपके लेफ्ट में
जी.
आप
Thank you
दोनों
so
से
much.
सवाल है कि आप दोनों ने साथ में पहले भी काम किया एंड बहुत अच्छे फ्रेंड भी रहे. कोई ऐसा यादगार जो आप दोनों से जुड़, कोई ऐसा
So इतना
बात-
लंबा क्वेश्चन तो
नहीं मतलब आप दोनों इसकी दोस्ती से रिलेटेड
ये पूरा फिल्म स्क्रिप्ट है. हाँ, but I get the point. हाँ.
जो अब तक नहीं हमने जाना हो वो.
हमारे दोस्ती से रिलेटेड बहुत चीजें हैं. अब बोलना शुरू करेंगे तो कल तक आपको बैठना पड़ेगा.
तो सवाल से लंबा जवाब हो जाएगा.
फिर भी
शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं है कि आपका हाइट
ठीक
क्या
है, हम
है.
लोग बहुत कुछ अपने बारे में बात कर चुके हैं. अब क्या बात नहीं की है वो याद नहीं है.
Hi,
हाँ.
can I ask?
Yes, it's a democracy. You can ask. You don't have to ask. Just ask. हाँ.
I just want to know, like, what we get to understand. It's a quirky take on relationships. So, what do you guys think about urban relationships presently? Like, what's happening?
What do you
around
mean by urban relationships?
the relationships that
Mike.
these days?
No, but be specific quickly. What kind of urban relationship? When there's an older woman, younger man, something like that?
Yeah, older man, younger woman. Ajay, what would you like to say about it?
Ma'am, the question is not clear.
I mean, no. I don't know. I don't know the question exactly, but actually, what you're asking has been said in the trailer itself.
So, what is the take on that? What do
The
you
same as the characters.
Okay. Hi, Ajay.
It's
Happy
complicated. Simple.
But okay, why don't you answer? Because मैंने सुना कि आपका पर्सनल स्टोरी है इसमें से maybe.
अभी तक तो मैं 41 का ही हूँ यार. मैं तो 9 साल बचे.
But first year junior college के बाहर I've seen you standing many times at this
अरे
thing.
मैं फेल हो गया था यार. घर जाना पड़ा था. मम्मी रो रही थी, पापा रो रहे थे.
हाँ.
क्या फर्स्ट ईयर जूनियर
तो
कॉलेज.
वो second script है. Have you somewhat answered your question?
And Rakul, how is it working with the two veterans?
Of course, very good.
वेटरन बोलने के लिए बहुत
I'd say it was
There
amazing
goes the star
working
cast now.
with
You'll have to
two
talk to me.
amazingly talented people, and they were extremely warm. And it was.
You all should not ask such questions. अब हम लोग दोनों सामने खड़े हैं हमारे बारे में बुराई करके. आप मुझे बताइए.
And
आप
plus
बताइए.
we've kept a teleprompter
अगर
with the
suppose
answers
अच्छा
here.
If
ना
she
हो तो
hates
मैं
us also,
बुरा तो
हमारे
नहीं
बारे
बोल
में
सकती.
बुराई करेगी.
But it was amazing.
हाय अजय, हैप्पी बर्थडे.
Thank you.
अजय, इसमें आप फिल्म में एक डायलॉग के उम्र के हिसाब से शौक पालने चाहिए. तो 50 पे आपने कुछ नया करने की सोची है, कुछ चाह रहे हैं, कुछ सीखना नया?
भाई स्प्लिट के बाद और क्या कर सकता है आदमी?
उम्र के हिसाब से शौक पालने चाहिए तो उम्र तो आप क्या सोचते हो अपने बारे में उस हिसाब से होती है ना, नंबर के हिसाब से होती नहीं है। तो शौक तो काफ़ी हैं।
ऑल्सो
नहीं, कोई नया शौक आपने पाला हो जो आप सीखना चाह रहे हो अब?
मैम सेकंड क्वेश्चन के लिए पैसा देना पड़ेगा बिकॉज वी हैव अ सिस्टम हियर, वन क्वेश्चन पर पर्सन, टाइम की बात है इसमें। बट आई थिंक ही इज द फिटेस्ट। इज इट फेयर टू से कि अजय आपका जो फॉर्म है और बॉडी शेप जो है,
Not the fittest. I
the
mean,
last
there are
3-4
so
years
many of us, all my contemporaries, all are so fit here.
yeah, but you've really, I would say that your physique is better than it's ever been, whatever I've seen for the last 20 years. Is that fair to say?
I think it must be a conscious decision because the intention was कि जो आप 25 साल की उम्र में कर सकते हो वो आज भी कर पाओ physically, and I'm happy that I feel that I can do exactly.
And Akeem also, this is the best?
I'm in best shape possible.
Best shape in the last.
He's always
इससे ज़्यादा नहीं होगा।
he's always been in one shape, exactly in one shape, consistent.
अजय सर, राहुल हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा। सबसे पहले तो हैप्पी बर्थडे सर। और मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है सर कि कहावत तो एक आपने सुनी होगी, बचपन में भी अभी भी सुनते होंगे कि बूढ़े बुजुर्ग बड़े बुजुर्ग आपसे यही कहते होंगे, हम सबसे कहते हैं कि दो नाव पे पैर रख के कभी सवारी मत कर, कुछ नहीं होगा तेरा। बट आप तो इस बात को सीरियसली ले लिए, नाव तो क्या, दो बाइक पे पैर रख के सवारी किया आपने, दो गाड़ी पे पैर रख के सवारी किया, दो घोड़े पे पैर रख के सवारी किया, फिर भी आज एक सक्सेसफुल एक्टर हैं, सक्सेसफुल पर्सन। क्या कहना है इस कहावत के बारे में सर?
फिल्मों में दो पैर रखा था, रियल लाइफ में एक ही पे, इसलिए सक्सेसफुल।
और ये सारी चीज ओलिक्स पे अवेलेबल है। Want to say something? Yeah. Okay,
Tabu,
questions?
Hi, Tabu, hi, Atika Faruqi from Colors Cineplex.
Hi, Atika.
Hi, Tabu. 40s is the new 50s, 30s is the
40s is the
new
new
40s.
50s?
No, शायद मैं उल्टा बोल
Okay,
रही
got
हूँ.
it, got it, got it,
Yeah,
got it.
you got
We
got
had shut the
point.
alcohol,
You know,
no?
Tabu,
वो बंद किया था दारू?
Sorry. You know, Tabu's career, आपकी journey और आपका जो पूरा ग्राफ रहा है, it's testimony to the fact कि beyond a point, looks don't matter. It's your talent, the content that really matters. Or
Means I
Ma'am,
don't
this is
look
not
good.
sounding like a compliment.
no.
I'm kidding.
But we know what
Go
she's
ahead.
saying.
So you know, and it's a beautiful
Youth doesn't
concept. It doesn't matter actually. आप Western, आप Hollywood को देखिए, उसमें भी बहुत सारे examples अभी दिए. And love has got nothing to do with age. Your work, your talent has got nothing to do with age. क्या ऐसा टाइम आएगा जब सिनेमा लीड करता है, आर्ट इमिटेट्स लाइफ एंड लाइफ इमिटेट्स आर्ट, ओल्डर मैन एंड यंगर वुमन का कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत पुराना है, दिलीप कुमार जी के ज़माने से लेके आज तक हमने एग्जांपल्स भी सुने। ओल्डर वुमन एंड यंगर मैन का कॉन्सेप्ट
वो भी है। Balance the market. Balance the
why
market.
not?
Chinikam was
मैं उल्टा ही था।
And would it be a safe bet at the box office?
है कोई जवाब,
I'm
मैम?
sure, I don't think it's not been attempted. I think it's
हम लोग सोच रहे हैं, I think it's attempted. I mean, it's nothing.
Wake up, Sid.
It's a very normal
it's
thing.
not a very but it's not a very like
Let Akeem answer this, no? Because
Huge
second
phenomenon.
perspective. The अलग perspective, ना? एक male, older male, now older
see
female.
whatever is accepted in society, I think films will reflect that. I think the older man, younger woman concept or phenomena is more widely accepted in the world and in society, so we see more of it on screen.
We are
not
also
that much,
working on
but
that other concept which is accepted, desperate man and any woman. That's a completely new, huh? Desperate man?
Tabu, you were saying, Tabu, please complete.
no, I'm sure that the society's choices and the way we live will reflect in cinema. Cinema is not happening in isolation,
And Ajay, as a producer, would that be as cool a concept on the big screen?
It's not bad. I mean, लिखो.
And who will you cast?
Actually, not bad. Yeah.
Ajay, she wants to know who will you cast then in that film with the older woman and younger man? You obviously younger man, older woman कौन?
पता नहीं यार, सोचना पड़ेगा।
सोचना पड़ेगा।
करते कास्टिंग करते।
We'll have audition, round of audition, and we'll come get back to you on Twitter. Okay?
Thank you.
Chalo, how much time do we have for questions? Let's get a few more in fast. Yes? Shorter, huh? Sir, mic. नहीं तो चिल्लाओ, हाँ.
What do you have to say about actresses having lesser shelf life than actors in our industries? So
Having less?
lesser shelf life. So taboo.
यार, I think ये सवाल तूने 10 साल पहले लिखा होगा क्योंकि आज वक्त बदल चुका है. They have more shelf life, as much shelf life.
But the
That's
number
not
of-
true at all. I
the
mean,
number
I am sure everybody agrees. There's no difference in the shelf life anymore. था ये पहले, but अब नहीं है.
But the number of actors are definitely more than the number of actresses even if you count. So you have got a few Khans, you are there. The
Yeah, but it's
actresses are
changed.
few.
No, it's changed. Lots of things are changing. She's here. Kajal is here. There's so many of them there. So things are changing. ऐसा नहीं है कि ऐसा होता ही नहीं है.
That's it?
Ask some fun questions. Yeah,
Yeah, really.
comedy
Also
picture
ask about
बनी.
the film now, if
बहुत
you don't
deep
mind.
हो रहा है conversation.
We will
ऐसे
give
मुझे
you
लग रहा है.
Tabu and Ajay's direct numbers for questions on
So
industry.
I'll ask a fun question. Love Ranjan is a part of this project.
Yeah, he's
and
right
his-
there.
And his film, Sonu Ke...
Ticku Ki Sweetie.
आ जाएगा, आ
He
जाएगा.
also can't pronounce
Yeah,
it.
so
Sonu काफी है.
So
हाँ.
while many of us actually loved the film, I also really liked the film. Some thought that it was a little misogynist. Ab cinema mein thoda sa, I think Love Ranjan can also answer and Akif can also answer.
But
on
Love
this.
Ranjan is not wearing
cinema
appropriate
कभी
clothes.
क्या होता है, कुछ ऐसी line cross करता है, which entertaining though it is, but at the same time some people do have an objection
You're
to it.
mistaking him for Chota Ranjan. This is Love Ranjan. He doesn't do all this.
So while this film is also a lot of fun, but some people may think कि अरे भाई ये कैसे कहा आपने?
Misogynistic का शब्द क्या है? I'm googling and then you can take it from
मैं गूगल कर चुका हूँ, मुझे इतनी बार बुलाया जा चुका है कि स्ट्रेस नहीं. तो सोनू में भी वही चक्कर है कि अगर आप बोलते हैं कि जैसा आप बोल रहे हैं कि इतने लोगों को पसंद आई और कुछ लोगों को लगा, मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कि उस फिल्म में अगर आप फीमेल कैरेक्टर्स देखें तो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर्स थे सारे के सारे. और कई बार हम अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स और स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर्स को कंफ्यूज कर देते हैं कि क्या अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स हैं स्ट्रॉन्ग कैरेक्टर्स हैं. और दूसरी बात ये है कि चलिए अगर आप मानते भी हैं, अगर आपको ये लगता भी है कि उसमें थी, तो आप ये सोच लो कि मैं ग्रो कर रहा हूँ, इसमें नहीं है. ठीक है ना? अगर आपको जो फीलिंग उसमें आई थी वो इसमें नहीं आएगी, तो हो सकता है मैंने भी सीखा है कि हाँ यार ये चीज़ लोगों को सही नहीं लगती, कुछ लोगों को सही नहीं लगती, तो उसको ठीक कर लिया.
अच्छा, तो इतना सीरियस क्यों हो रहा है?
मैं एक्चुअली सेंसर बोर्ड की मीटिंग से आ रहा हूँ, वो एक गाना अटक गया था.
अच्छा, लवरंजन जी and
2
Ajay
किलो
sir,
कम करके.
ओके,
can we
मैं
have some
सवाल
funny-
का जवाब देने आया था, मैं नीचे उतर जाता हूँ वापस.
एक और सवाल है.
हाँ जी,
Fast,
बोलिए.
fast, fast. We have time for 2 questions only. He has to go, guys.
सर आप थोड़ा कम बोलिए तो हमने
हाँ,
थोड़ा
मैं
ज़्यादा
बिल्कुल
वक्त
बंद कर
मिलेगा.
देता हूँ.
Thank you. Please.
You are from my wife's side, I can tell.
I don't know your wife.
जल्दी जल्दी.
सर जब मी टू मूवमेंट के बाद, क्योंकि हमें ज़्यादा बहुत सारे जिन एक्टर्स के ऊपर ऐसा कुछ आरोप या ये नाम आए थे, उनसे दूरी बना ली गई थी. आलोकनाथ सर से भी कई सारे लोगों ने उनसे भी दूरी बनाई थी. इस
देखिए, आई थिंक ये सही जगह नहीं है बात करने की इसके बारे में, और जब जिनकी आप बात कर रही हैं वो फिल्म उससे बहुत पहले कंप्लीट हो चुकी थी. या थैंक यू. बड़े
Ajay sir.
All I said is let's have fun. How can you go to the other direction? Don't worry, we'll have fun still.
Ajay sir,
मूवी ओनली ना.
अभी तक आपने जो भी
Related to
कैरियर में
movie.
फिल्में की हैं, या तो सिंघम की बात कर लें या जख्म की बात कर लें, सीरियस इंटेंस रोल किया है, गंभीरता रही है आपके एक्टिंग में, तो जब सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर की बात हो तो आप खुद को कितना रेट करते हैं और इस तरह के ह्यूमरस रोल में कितने कंफर्टेबल फील करते हैं आप?
सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर के बिना तो आदमी जिंदा ही नहीं रह सकता. आई थिंक हम
इनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर आप जानते नहीं सर. आप कभी सेट पे आइए.
आइए पीछे आइए.
Okay,
sense
last
of humor is very important.
last question, really fast, short.
Ajay here,
Short.
in front of you. Here.
Ajay here.
In front.
आप भी अजय हैं? Okay, quick.
Ajay, how was it to work in a love story? Like, it's been some time since we have seen you in an out-and-out, love story, and this is a rom-com. So how was it for you to work in a love story? How different was it after?
It's a rom-com. It was fun. I think it's not exactly a love story. It's a love story, but it's a fun film. So I don't know. I think I've done this genre or I don't know if I've done this genre. I don't remember. But it was fabulous. Yeah.